What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're excited because we're finally going to be working on this guy's car. Yes, sir. What are we doing today?
What are you doing? We're doing coils.
So why did you pick the HKS coils compared to like the other brands like BC? You showed me another one.
It was BC. It was either bagging it, teens, and I don't know.
And the KW ones.
KW was the
most expensive.
Yeah, but it was just too expensive. And I was like, I don't want to drop that much money. I'd rather save a little bit more money and then get some wheels.
Yes, but so this is Jordan's monster truck height.
Yo.
And here's how much it sits in the rear. Did they say how much it drops? Like an inch, 2 inch?
It says 2.5.
2.5. Okay, not bad. And then you said you're gonna get spacers.
I know, we can always adjust it, yeah.
That's the factory side.
That's the factory.
We could measure how much the gap is right now. Oh, high.
What do you think? This ought to be the right kind of place for a tough guy like you. Garbage cans, rats galore. Scram! I said take off. Beat it. Let's go.
Alright, so we got the car all jacked up on one side. We're gonna be just doing this side, and then once we figure out how to install and get everything according to plan, we're gonna be showing you guys how to do the driver's side. So once we do that side, and then we're gonna be doing this side, and we'll show you guys this side, because I'm assuming it's the same for driver's side and passenger side.
So to remove the rears, basically it's just these four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Removing these three, we're just loosening this fourth one. First is probably want to remove this shit, the nut, and then take the bolt out, including this. You want to take this off last.
This is for the rear, by the way.
Yeah. Just so it's easier to remove this, because if you remove this first before this, it may get stuck and you'll have issues removing this fucking bolt.
We're not learning from speaking from experience.
Of course not. Definitely not experience.
We're professionals.
I just know this.
We're professionals.
So don't fuck that up. So what you're gonna need before you start working on the rears is basically a 17 and a 14 millimeter socket. Drills will help, and if you need maybe like a rubber hammer and maybe like a pair of like angled pliers. Yeah. The 14 is used for one of the bolts at the bottom, and then also the two on the top holding the strut in. And then the 17 millimeter is used for the two. There's like 3 bolts at the bottom. You're gonna remove 2 of them, the one closest to the rotor and the holding the strut, and then you're gonna use it to loosen the one all the way towards the midsection of the car. At the end, I think, at the end of the lower control arm. Driver. Pull over here. Here she is, going in. Oh, first try. Nice.
Wow.
I don't know if it's for all the other brands, but HKS specifically, for the rears, they have these. And they go, there's two for each of the rears. they go here. And it matches the same width of the OEM struts. So if you have that, just make sure it should be in the same bag as your wrenches. And don't forget to put it on.
Because we forgot.
You fuck. So for the fronts, you're gonna need a 19mm socket for these big bad boys. This one right here, if you're gonna replace this. For HKS, it comes with a replacement one that's a little bit shorter. There's a nut here and a nut at the bottom. These are 17. And you're probably gonna need a flathead to remove this clip, to take this out, and also this one down here. You're gonna need the actual clamp that clamps this down, that's connected to this, for the new one, to replace it on the new strut. But the only thing is, it's kind of a bitch to remove it on while it's still on. So I say just remove the strut and then take this off afterwards. But there should be a little button you press right here, and this should open up and you can take this out. And then I think there's one more bolt that holds this brake line. It's a 12mm. Take that out, put it off to the side, and you're pretty much solid.
What size?
19. Ayun.
Very good, very good.
Galing go. Pare.
Flash it. What's next?
Same thing. We're just gonna take off the top. I believe we should take off this end link for two. We'll wait for Wikipedia to come back.
Wikipedia.
Just kidding. And taking out.
What size?
12s. There's 3 of them. There's one right here, 1, 2, and 3. Don't drop them. Don't drop them. Don't fucking drop them. Oh yeah, I have to take off this fucking.
Whew, that was a rough one.
Oh.
New ones on your left side. This is what Bricks was saying, to unclip it first, and then once you remove the strut, take a flathead and then pull this one out.
Nice.
And then this was gonna go onto your new one. Fuck. Yo!
What happened?
You gonna act like nothing happened?
I'm just working here.
Just working.
Yeah. Put in the work.
This is ripped ass?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So loud.
Oh yeah. Suck my cock.
What?
Oh, hi there. So I see you're watching. Come here. Closer. 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 Come here. Go on this side, this side, this side. Now you see this little fuck, this nipple? You want to insert into this hole right here. And then once Jordan's done fucking around, you could put this one back on. And don't forget this, the little screw. Where's that little fucking screw? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna shove it right up here. Just like that. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck, am I turning it the right way? 50 Lucy ready tidy, bitch.
I'm gonna beat this.
Thank you. This has been ASMR with Bricks.
We just finished, and the car is just settled. We're gonna go for a test drive right now. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Since you have to drive to like Koreatown and stuff, you're happy with the ride height for now?
Yeah, it's we're gonna have to wait for probably like a couple days for it to drop down a little bit more.
Hopefully the car ride goes
It's a
smoothly.
perfect height for me.
Bricks, what do you think of the install process compared to? I mean, it's probably a lot easier than my car. We finished a lot quicker.
Yeah, fuck your car.
Wow.
And also, it's just like the bolts were just so easy to take off.
It's like a brand new car.
Yeah. Thank God.
But we're gonna be going for a test drive right now, see how it rides. Jordan's gonna be whipping it around the corners and shit to see how the handling performs.
If a wheel comes off, well, fuck.
Jesus.
Oh, we still have to tighten it.
Yeah, you didn't fucking torque it.
Yeah, we didn't torque it.
That would have been bad.
Good thing I remembered.
Get in your car. Wait.
You think I can still make it? I think I can.
Yeah, you can make it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
How about my bag?
Let's see, go slow. Yeah, I think you're good.
Oh, don't fucking floor it.
Yeah, floor that bitch.
Oh, you're good. Careful, there's a cop sometimes down here.
Make it right.
He is there.
Did you pop?
Yeah, I fell.
Oh, that something fucking broke.
Oh, can I do that more, Christian?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, thank you. Oh, fuck. I was sitting like a fucking robot.
You should try it also from a dig, because the back end will lower.
I'm gonna drive my garage over, Christian.
I'll get it right now. Hold on.
You good?
Jesus.
He's figured the popping out. There you go.
Keep going straight.
Yeah. Pretty now, right?
Yep.
Because you need to see how much it'll squat.
True. If you're gonna hear anything, so far we haven't heard any rubbing, so it's solid. But he is also really tucked, so I don't think we're gonna hear much. Be careful, it's a red light, so you can't really take the corner. Wish you
Take
could.
it kind of hard. See how it is.
I wanted him to take a corner.
Wait, hold on. There's like a car on.
Hey, there you go.
Maybe slow down and try like the handling, just going back and forth.
You could kind of do this if you want. See if it like rolls. Not much, huh?
No.
Feels like it's just sticking, right? Ripping to the street.
Holy shit. Yeah, it is actually.
Yeah, there you go.
Holy fuck.
If you want, we could even stiffen it up even more.
How does it feel?
Oh, dude, it feels great.
Okay, stop
Did you
recording.
make sure you don't lose that tool?
And this is where we will end today's video. Jordan, Briggs, how do you guys think? It looks pretty good. After settling in and going in and out.
There's 3 here.
It's because you're kind of
Love your butt. But how was the process? Do you like it? What do you think could be done? I mean, Jordan wants spacers instead of getting like temp wheels. Or
Yeah.
get temp wheels. You said you're going to do the math. to get like the proper fitment for him.
Yeah. So right now he likes the ride height just because he doesn't. We tested on dips, speed bumps, and like his turns.
I don't have to really like.
No rubbing, no issues. We left the factory settings of HKS coils on, like we just left it alone. And yeah, there's no issues with it. So we might just
Keep it like it as is.
yeah, build the specs off of right now just to fill in the gaps.
Anything to say, senor?
No.
Thank you, Travis,
Thanks, Travis.
from Vivid Racing.
From Vivid Racing.
But we will see you guys in the next video. We're going to be doing Brix's wrap reveal and finally his
You can see it. You can see it right there. Look, you see it?
Dude, that looks
Brix's wrap reveal
insane.
and his
Wait.
modless. Oh.
Sneak peek, bro.
We'll see you guys in the next video.